This video demonstrates how to replace the batteries in a Kidde FireX 4870 smoke alarm. The alarm will chirp to indicate that the backup battery is running low and needs replacing. Switch the electrical power off before commencing with the replacement of your alarm. Check that the green light on the unit is off. This indicates that the power has been successfully turned off. Find the slot for the insertion of the screwdriver to enable you to remove the alarm from the base. Insert the screwdriver into the slot until you feel a slight movement, indicating that the alarm has been disconnected from the base. Carefully unplug the cable without damaging any wire connections. Remove the old battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring that the connectors have been fitted correctly. Plug the cable back into the smoke alarm and replace the alarm back onto the base. Turn the electricity back on. Ensure that the green light is showing on the unit. This indicates that the alarm is correctly connected to the mains supply. The alarm will now need testing by using the test button feature on the unit. To ensure that you are testing your alarms on a regular basis, sign up to our free reminder service. Just go to the web address and complete the very simple registration process. To order a replacement alarm or to ask further questions, please ring SafeLinks or visit our website.